Hello, class. Today we are going to practice for the Civics and Citizenship Skills Test. In this video, you will practice for 20 questions of the Civics test. You will listen to each question read to you. So first you'll listen, then you'll practice saying the answer aloud. If you need more time to think about the answer, you can pause the video. You can listen to the video as many times as you want. For added practice, you can listen to the video again and you can pause on each question to practice writing the answer down. So let's practice that. First, you'll listen to the question, then you'll practice saying the answer out loud. You can pause the video if you want to listen to the question again or if you need more time. If you want to listen again, you can listen as many times as you want. And if you can and you have enough time, you should go back and practice the test again, and this time practice writing your answers down so you get comfortable writing the answers out on paper. You don't have to worry about spelling them correctly as long as you practice writing your answers out. Because on the test, we're going to have to write our answers down. So you should try practicing that as much as you can. Okay, now we're going to go to the next slide, and that is going to be our first question. So when the question is read to you, you're going to practice saying the question aloud. And remember, if you need more time, you can pause the video. For the first time, you might just want to listen to it and just practice with the questions and the answers that you know. All right, here we go. What is the supreme law of the land? If you know it, call it out. Let's check your answer. Did you say the Constitution? The correct answer is the Constitution. The Constitution is the supreme law of the land. Here's question 2. What does the Constitution do? The Constitution does a couple of things. It sets up the government, it defines the government, and it protects the basic rights of Americans. You only have to tell one of those things. So pick one. Okay, here comes question number 3. The idea of self-government is in the first 3 words of the Constitution. What are the first 3 words of the Constitution? We the people. We the people are the first 3 words in the Constitution. Number 4, what are 2 rights in the Declaration of Independence? There are several rights, but you only have to name 2. Life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. There are 3 listed there, but you only have to name 2 of those on the test. What is the rule of law? Did you say one of these things? All of these are correct, but you only have to say one of these because they all mean the same thing. The rule of law is that everyone must follow the law. All people and all groups must follow the law, even government officials. No one is above the law. So you can choose one of those. All of those are the correct answer, but you only have to pick one to put on the test. Which one did you pick? Number 6. What is the name of the President of the United States now? Did you say Joe Biden? You would be right. What is the name of the Vice President of the United States now? Our Vice President is Kamala Harris. Who is the current governor of Delaware? John Carney is our current governor. What is the capital of Delaware? Dover is the capital of Delaware. What are the two major political parties in the United States? Republicans and Democrats. What is one responsibility that is only for United States citizens? There are two choices to pick from. You only have to name one. United States citizens have to vote in a federal election and serve on a jury if they're called upon. You can choose one of those to write on the test. What are two rights of anyone living in the United States? There are a lot of rights that everyone is entitled to. You only need to name two. Choose two from this list and write them on the test. What do we show loyalty to when we say the Pledge of Allegiance? If you said the United States, you are correct. You might have also said the flag, and that answer is correct also. We say the pledge and we give our loyalty to the flag because the flag represents the United States. We're giving our loyalty to the United States. What is one promise you make when you become a United States citizen? There are several promises you make, but you only have to name one. Did you say one of these? You only have to name one, but here are some of the correct answers. When you become a citizen of the United States, you agree to be loyal to the United States and to give up your loyalty to other countries. You also agree to defend the Constitution and to obey the laws of the United States. You agree to serve in the United States military or help the government if they need your help. You only have to name one of these for the test. What ocean is on the west coast of the United States? The West Coast Ocean is the Pacific Ocean. What ocean is on the east coast of the United States? The Atlantic Ocean is on the east coast. What is the capital of the United States? Washington, D.C. is the capital of the United States. What is the name of the national anthem? The Star-Spangled Banner is our national anthem. When do we celebrate Independence Day? We celebrate Independence Day on July 4th. And our last question says name 2 national U.S. holidays. There are a lot of national U.S. holidays, but you only have to name 2. Did you pick 2 from this list? All of these are national U.S. holidays, but you only have to name 2 for the test. Now that you have finished practice saying the answers, it would be a good opportunity to go back and listen to the video again, this time pausing at each question and practicing writing your answers down. Each time it asks you to only name 1 thing or 2 things, you should practice writing what it asks you so that you're ready for the test. You can pause the video so that you have time to write your answer down, and then you can unpause it and start playing it again to listen to the next question. So you can start this video over again and listen to it and take as much time as you need to practice each question. The more you practice listening and writing your answers down, the better you will be at understanding the material from the test. If you have any questions, you can message your teacher and ask for help. Good luck practicing for the civics test.